copy lang ng TSA ng report of marriage. Saka one valid ID. Marireceive ko siya. Hello mga mi! Welcome back to our channel, Adobo with Garam Masala. So yan guys, on the way ako sa DFA. At pero drop lang ako sa paradahan ng bus. Papunta ako ng DFA. Nakasakay na rin ako sa wakas mga mi. Kaya lang ordinaryong bus yung nasakyan ko, walang aircon. Natapat pa ako sa kung saan tirik yung araw. Ayan ang init. Andito na rin ako mga mi sa wakas. At ito tamang suklay lang ng kamay kasi wala akong dalang suklay. Tapos na ako guys, pero gutom na gutom ako. Hindi ako nag-almusal. Hindi ko alam kung kakain ako ng fast food or sa food court na lang. Kailangan ko munang kumain. Kasi baka mahimatay ako. Hindi ako nag-almusal. Punta ako ng food court. May food court sila dito eh. So yung DFA guys dito is sa loob ng CSI Mall. Ito. Hey guys, pupunta na ako ng terminal ng bus, pauwi ng Dagupan. Tapos na akong kumain at nakapag-CR na din. So, sasakay ako ng tricycle papuntang terminal.
Years, maybe decades. What does it matter to them? Well, you will not be able to leave. That's it.
Lumipat kami ng bus guys, nakakainis. Yung aircon naging ordinary, ang init-init, hindi pa binalik yung balance. Siyempre mas mahal yung binayad sa aircon. So yun guys, nakatapos ko din pinasa yung requirements dun sa apostille or authentication ng report of marriage namin. Madali lang yung mga requirements, yung original copy lang ng PSA ng report of marriage, saka one valid ID. Marireceive ko siya or i-claim ko siya ng Monday. So, bali 2 working days. Pag naka-expedite, nasa 200 pesos yun. Pero pag regular, nasa 100 pesos. 5 working days. Kaya, babalik ulit ako dun ng Lunes. Ang oras nila is ng DFA. La Union is ng pagkuha nung apostilled na paper is between 2 to 4. Pero yung pagpasa ng requirements ay umaga. Nag-start sila ng 9. Pwede siyang walk-in. Pero priority nila yung may appointment. Pero mabilis lang naman siya guys. Kahit madaming pila. Hindi ka naman ganun magstay ng matagal doon. As long as yung mga nauna sa'yo is kompleto din ng requirements. Kasi pag hindi rin sila kompleto, medyo matagal kasi may instruction pa sila kung ano yung kukumpletohin nila. So, medyo natagalan lang ako. Umalis ako ng bahay ng alas 7. Tapos nakauwi na ako ng alas 4. Hindi, alas 5 na. Mag-aalas 6 na. Kasi, yung bus, matagal yung biyahe. Maabot ata ako ng 3 hours. Papunta doon, tapos pabalik. Ang sabi nila 2 hours lang. Kaso, pag nag-commute ka, matagal kasi syempre, patigil-tigil yung bus para kumuha ng mga pasahero. So, yan guys. So, see you on Monday. Kukunin ko yung pina-apostle ko na. Yung apostle pala guys, ang dating tawag doon is red ribbon. Sa mga nakakita ng ganun, yung red ribbon, yung literal na ribbon na red. Pero ngayon wala na yung red ribbon. Apostle or authentication na yung tawag. Ayan guys, nasa bus na ako. Pupunta na ako sa DFA sa San Fernando, La Union para kuhanin yung report of marriage namin. Ako pa lang yung sakay. Ito na mga mi, at on the way na naman ako sa DFA as expected. Ayan, mahangin na naman sa labas. Medyo malapit-lapit na rin kami kaya tiis-tiis muna. Ayan o, fresh na fresh ang hangin ang pumapasok sa bus. So, nandito na ako guys sa CSI na kung saan andito rin yung DFA. Kaya lang maaga pa. Alas 2 yung releasing. Ay, mali. So, pupunta muna ako ng food court. Kasi, kakain muna ako. Kasi, alam nyo na, gutom na naman. May nagtanong, nag-work daw ba ako? Jobless ako, ate, unemployed. Charit. Dito guys yung food court. Pack. $3,000 on a small one. Oh, only
Cheaper?
100 pesos difference for this size and that size.
Mm.
Oh, but it's light, but I don't think so if it's Air Asia mahal.
They like this one is better, you know.
This one.
The first one when you test now. That one. Even this one good. How much is that small one? You can carry extra if you want.
They told me there's a sale in. This is expensive. 6,000.
Just
Expensive. That one is cheaper.
6,000 you can buy here branded one. You know?
Hmm.
You'll get 1,700. You know, like good buy. You know,
This one 5,000. But this one will be easily like, you want to go inside the furniture store?
T-shirt. JWC, what is that? JVC, huh?
Jag.
Jug. How much is this, huh?
This one.
Philippines T-shirt. 200? 2,000? 1,000? Yeah. 1,000 pesos for this brand T-shirt. Yeah, what is that? Yeah, so expensive. Like this plain T-shirt, how much is that? Without anything.
6.
600. Jug.
2,000. This one nice, Mahalo.
Buy one.
This one will fit you.
And how much is that?
3,000.
You can buy a good brand here. Then. Yeah, better buy one plain T-shirt, you know, with that Philippines brand.
Which one?
Jug or Laju.
I'll buy an SM.
It's plain. Is
This. Maybe they have sale there. Here you cannot change, you know, if you want to change, it's very far.
I think you repair the T-shirt. Bosini? Bobson? Bobson.
Oh,
How
400
much is
only.
this T-shirt?
T-shirt,
How much?
400. 400.
No, this jacket. How much is it?
Jacket, 550.
Black. Black T-shirt. Black. Good.
You want?
Yeah, I'm just keep there, but maybe the size we don't know. This was the brand, this one? Bobson?
Yeah. Brand here, Philippines.
Jug. Bobson.
50%. 300 only.
Yeah, like this cheap price, you know.
What?
Later, maybe we'll go.
Johan's brief.
Buy for them T-shirt, you know. Wear something T-shirt.
Before we leave children's wear. Yeah, I don't have like this type of dressing. There you buy there, mahal. It's better there, you know. I'll wear like this in Kerala.
It's a pants, huh? It's a top.
Yeah, when you wear sari, your stomach is showing sa.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Ayun guys. Ayan mga mi, natapos din ang authentication ng report of marriage namin. Sa wakas. So, sa mga nagbabalak na magpakasal or sa mga kinasal sa ibang bansa na hindi sa Philippine Embassy, huwag niyo pong kakalimutan na mag-report of marriage sa Philippine Embassy. Like for example, kami sa Indian Embassy kami kinasal. So, kailangan naming mag-file ng report of marriage sa Indian Embassy. Yun lang guys. Uwi na ako. Bye!